Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a CVS ExtraCare Card step by step clearly. Visit the CVS website or open the CVS mobile app. Locate the ExtraCare section on the homepage. Choose the option to sign up for an ExtraCare Card. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Select your preferred method for receiving offers and coupons. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Continue button to move forward. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation email. Once verified, return to the CVS website or app. Log in using your email and the password you created. Now that you're logged in, access your ExtraCare Card details. You'll find your card number displayed on your account page. You can also link your card to your existing CVS account if you have one. To use your card, either show it at the register or enter your number during online purchases. Make sure to check for weekly offers and rewards through your account. Enjoy the benefits of being a CVS ExtraCare member. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.